Good morning, children. Welcome back to your science class. Grade 4. Today we are doing revision on the topic 5.1 Electricity flows in circuits. So, learner book page number 72. What is electricity? What is electricity? You already learned. Flow of charges. What is flow? Flow means flow like water. A movement in one direction we can call a flow. So electricity means flow of charges. The flow of charges we can tell electricity. Okay children, what you can see in this picture? Yeah, cell. A cell pushes electricity in a circuit. So, what you can see here, cell has two ends. This one end and this is another end. So, these ends we can call terminals. So, this is the negative terminal. So, here a little projection you can see. So, this is the positive part. Every cell have this like this, okay? Positive terminal. So positive terminal and negative terminal. So electric current flows from positive to the negative end of the cell. Okay children, what you can see here? You can see here what is inside a torch. Here you can see two cells inside it. Okay, this one cell, the second cell. Okay, so you learned that cell pushes electric current around a circuit. Okay, so the electric current flows from the positive terminal to the negative end of a cell. So electricity flows from positive end to the negative end of the cell. So you can show here how it is happening. How it will happening. From here the charges will flow. Then it will flow from here and it will go from here and it will reach the switch and again it will go to the bulb. So what will happen? The bulb will glow. It will light up. So here you can see a continuous path, continuous flow of electric current. So we can tell this circuit it is a complete circuit. There is no opening, nothing, no break. So it is a complete circuit. Here we can see a flow of electric charges continuously. Okay, without a break it is flowing around a circuit. So this is a complete circuit. Okay, so the bulb will light or not? The bulb will light. Okay children, look at here. See, if I put cell like this, it is correct. Okay, now it is correct. See, positive terminal and negative terminals. So what happened? Here positive and here negative. So this arrangement is correct. It is correct for a circuit. And I will show you in another one. I will show you. See what will happen. We can see. See. Here negative terminal and negative terminal. So it is not okay. The current will not flow. Okay. It is not okay. Electric current will not flow through this. So it is wrong one. So the bulb will not light. If you are connected inside the torch like this, the bulb will not light. Here you can see another connection. See. The positive terminal connected to the positive terminal of another cell. So what happening here? The bulb will light here? No, it will not light because what will happen? We learned that electric current flows from the positive to the negative. So end of a cell. So here we can see, here it will not happen. Here the bulb will not light. The first one is the correct one. So when you are putting batteries into a torch, you have to follow the first one. The first connection is the correct one. There only the bulb will light. The other second and third are wrong. Okay, children? Okay, these are the important points in this chapter. Cell, a source of energy to push electricity around a circuit. Flow, continuous movement in one direction. Electricity, the flow of charged particles. Current, the flow of charged particles. Complete circuit, a circuit where the electric current can flow all the way around. Terminal, positive or negative end of the cell. Okay, thank you.